Google's artificial intelligence and machine learning neural networks are very impressive, and they've been sprinkling these features in various applications and services that they have already offered to the consumer. One of the more useful features is called Google Lens, and it will take an image and analyze it and use the company's image recognition technology to bring up some relevant information that is related to the objects in that image, whether that is text, whether that is logos or images. The only thing is that it has historically not been that easy to access. So in the past, I have accessed this by taking a picture of something and then opening that picture up in Google Photos, and there is a big Google Lens button that sits at the bottom. However, again, that's just a very long process of accessing this very useful feature. So recently, Google has updated the Google Camera application to allow for very quick access of Google Lens. So let me show you how to access this. So here we have the Google Camera. So all you need to do is point the camera to whatever you want to use Google Lens on, and then tap and hold on the preview screen of the viewport. What it's going to do is it's going to basically take a picture without saving it. It's going to take a still image, because you can move the camera, move your hand, move the object away, as Google has already captured this image to start analyzing. And we can go from various objects that it has detected. And to show you that again, we just do a tap and hold, and Google Lens will instantly pop up, analyze that image, and give you some Google search results options down at the bottom.